You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this French word. If you want to learn more French and more names of famous places, including around Paris, make sure to stay tuned. Orangerie. That's the place in a palace or a castle or a property where you grow oranges, orange trees. Orangerie. Orangerie. In English, orangerie. Orangerie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.